going on, YouTube? It's MT Roadside coming back at you with another video, man. Yesterday I put out that video of me making the 2019 Nissan Sentra key. Today, as you can see in the description, man, we got another key job. Hey, I'm affordable, I'm negotiable. I would do anything to help my clientele, to build up my clientele, do whatever it takes to get the job done, to make sure you guys got the right equipment for you guys' cars.
Are you done?
I'm not gonna say that money is not an option or price is not an option. Certain thing is, but if I'm making profit, I'm doing something good. All I'm worrying about is making a little bit of profit. I'm not trying to get all the money out your pocket, man. Chrysler key. Yeah, we're gonna be getting a brand new key for a Chrysler, and I'm gonna show you a picture of the key of how it looks. And you guys tell me, do she needs a key? So yeah, we're going to the store, pick up that key, and we're gonna get that key done tomorrow. Smash that like button, hit that sub button for me, man. We're gonna build this empire. All right, so we just got the key.
And go past the
all right, so we're about to pull up to the Chrysler, man. About to make this key again. So I'll catch you guys when we get to the spot. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and program these keys. All right, we got the start button on, as you can see. Let's go ahead and program. Go Chrysler. Automatic selection. If you ever learn key, turn the ignition on. Okay. Number of keys in the system is 2. She only has 1. Program. Okay, yes. 6654. Hold proximity near console to complete procedure within 10 seconds. Okay, so this is the key. We're gonna take it out the bag. All right, so we're gonna take it out the bag. We're gonna press OK. Okay, so we're gonna hold this. This is my second key. This is an original. Had to go back and get an original, man. Establish communication. This works. All right, that freaking worked.
Okay.
All right, so we got the keys. Line is successful. No. Escape. All right, so we got this to work. Yes, yes.
All good?
Yeah, this works.
Shut up.
This works. This works.
Good?